Let's go find out where Steve is. I'm going to show you his project he's been working on. I'm actually stepping down on it. But look he's built this landing. He's got to put some railings on this left side and put some more support here. But we'll go find out what he's doing right now. I know he's working on a water line while I'm doing some drywall repair in the house. See that he's over here. Hey, Steve. What are you doing?
Dodging spiders.
Dodging spiders. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
See, he did a good job. He put a spigot on there, so now they can run a hose, and we can also
When I was
power
putting
wash.
when I was putting the spigot on, I broke the main line coming in just upstream from the shutoff valve, so I had to replace that as well.
Okay.
Back here,
Where is that at?
right there. It's already on there. It's glued
down
in.
there. Okay. Yeah, see that down there? So, you know, when they have to shut the water off in case of an emergency, how are we going to keep that from filling up with dirt so that they can go in there quickly and turn the water off? Because that's going to happen, we know it.
What we can do is we can dig out some of the dirt, move it out of the way to decrease the likelihood that it will happen. But there's no way to prevent it from happening at all.
Well, remember at one of the homes in Lexington Village, we cut a side of like a little plastic container and then we slipped it around. It was at lot 627 in the back because it did the same thing. We could probably do that to this, fit it around the pipe so it's in the ground, but at least, you know, the sides will...
Keep it from filling up with dirt.
Yeah, so it won't concave in. Just some suggestions as we're looking at this. So is this almost done?
All I'm doing now is adding these straps to the spigot line because it moves around a little bit. I'm just adding this in to secure it in place so it won't move around so much. And then I have to put the skirting back on.
Okay. Alright. So once we're able to get the water turned on at this house, because 2 houses run off of 1, the house that we have down there, that we have this person working on that